ngayon parang may bagyo. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Ano naman ang panahon?
Thousand years later.
Ayan guys, ang daming assorted coffee. May bio ng coffee pa rin. Mahal na ng kafe. Mahal na ang kafe. Ayan, Asian sauce. Ayan, chili sauce. Sauce chili, sweet chili, soya sauce. Pero wala silang maliit na oyster sauce tsaka patis. Ang lalaki, ang gagawin ko sa malaki. Ayan, this is Asian corn. Alam mo? Mga Asian noodles. Meron pa akong sutang ko. Ayan, nag-renovate sila. Tsaka po, 20 years na yun lang sila nag-renovate dito sa main. Ayan, ayos na nila lahat. Still working sila. Ayan. That's so cute. Christmas na mga inday. Emoji. It's Christmas time. Ayan. Look. Daming chocolate. So cute. Grabe naman ito. Jeep na to, Pringles. Yes, yan. Christmas na talaga. Christmas na talaga. Ayan. Gifts. Chocolates. Hello, good morning, peeps. How are you? Ayan, bago tayo magtrabaho, inom muna tayo ng kape at kunting tiramisu. Ayan. So, brighten your day with coffee and delicious tiramisu. Yummy. Meron tayo dito Walt bars. Yummy. Ayan guys, meron tayo ditong pangalan nito, Catalana.
Crema Catalana.
Crema Catalana. Oy.
With espresso.
With espresso. Yummy.
A few moments later.
Good morning! Another day, another vlog. So, ayan. Let's unbox. Unbox ang ating mga panindang wine. So, meron tayo ditong Pinot Grigio. Ayan, the best white wine. Best seller ng aming restaurant. So, ayan. So, Pinot Grigio. So, lagyan na natin sa ref. And what is Merlot red wine. Red wine, it's good for this cold weather. Cold, make your body warm. Drink 1 glass of wine every day and make your body warm. So, work mo na ang lola. So, ayan, ready. May bulaklak na ang table nila. So, just wait na lang. Ayan, another day, another group. Ayan, mga inday. So, napaka-busy ng lola nyo. And we have here another group also for tonight. So, ayan. Ready. Good morning. Ayan. Unboxing tayo. So, what's in the bag? Wow. Calamansi from Len. Thank you. Uy, may pa-chocolate pa siya. Salamat. Wow. Ang calamansi sa garden ni Len. Oh, thank you. I need bagoong. Wow. Wala, ganda. Magbunga ng kanyang kalma. Ayan. Calamansi from Lily. Thank you. Ayan guys. Collector. We have Spanish red. Ayan. Sarap nito, Obi. Yummy. Hi. Ayan, dumating na ang ating Obi bread. At meron pa tribing Obi cake. And we have Spanish bread. Ayan. Yummy. Happy na naman si Lola.